Hey guys, welcome to my video and thanks for tuning in today. Today I thought we would look at some skincare, and something that everybody is talking about is The Ordinary. So I decided to take a trip down to the West End last week and I picked up a few bits and pieces and I wanted to share my thoughts with you. This brand has just shaken up the whole of the skincare industry because it is incredibly affordable. Most of the products are around the £5 mark, and I was desperate to see what all the fuss is about. So I went down to check out some of the stuff that they've got, and I bought a few bits and pieces. So the first product I'm going to talk about is their bestseller, which is called Buffet. Okay, Buffet is a serum. Well, they've got a whole load of serums. You need to check out their website really to see the full range. It's quite extensive. I just purchased what was suitable for my skin type so I could share my views with you and tell you how the product performed on my skin. A serum is something I believe you should definitely spend your money on. You need a serum if you're, say, age 20 upwards. This is when your collagen production starts to go down. Now, collagen, in case you don't know, is what keeps our skin looking youthful, elastic and line-free. So a serum contains peptides, and a peptide is a chain of amino acids, which is protein, and these form the building blocks of our skin. The peptides will send a signal to your collagen production and increase your collagen production naturally within your skin. So I've been using this for just over a week and my skin feels nice and smooth. It's unperfumed, very simple, clean packaging. You can see just slightly sort of silky texture. You just massage that onto your cleansed dry skin, let it absorb for a couple of seconds. So after you've applied your serum, whichever one is suitable for your skin type, I have got now the hyaluronic acid. I don't know if you know, this is a substance which your skin produces naturally as well. And again, as you age, the production process is reduced. So this is really nice. It just locks in moisture. You will find this in a lot of moisturizers, and if you apply it directly onto the skin, it's going to sink in that much deeper. Again, very light in formula. Literally, you just need a couple of drops, pat it onto the skin, and you can feel the hydration. I am following with the Squalane Oil. Now, I wondered how you spell squalene. There's an A and an E. The A is when it's been refined and it has a longer shelf life, so that's the one to get. You don't want something going rancid. So squalene is plant derived from sugarcane and various leaves, and it's very hydrating, and it softens your skin, it's nourishing, and it gives you a nice sort of healthy glow as well. There's nothing really not to like. This is a super duper lightweight oil. You literally take a couple of drops, rub it into the palms of your hands and massage it lightly into your skin. Your skin will feel very hydrated. It locks in moisture. It's a very fine oil. Now I chose the Squalane one because it's a generic oil. There's a few other oils. There's a marula oil, there's a rosehip seed oil as well. I think that's it. They all felt nice, you know, very lightweight, and they're all unfragranced. Very nice. So I would definitely go for one of those. And then I have bought their moisturizer. Now, unfortunately, this is not an SPF moisturizer, but the consultant James was telling me that they are bringing out a moisturizer with an SPF, so that's one to watch. This is a very simple oil-free moisturizer, light, nice and hydrating, and it just locks in that serum and the hyaluronic acid and the oil so nicely. Okay, it's completely perfume free, so you know you've got brilliant formulations in their purest form here for around the £5 mark, so I think it's a no-brainer. The final product I'm going to show you that I purchased was this stuff, which is the peeling solution. This is quite potent. It's a really gorgeous colour, you can see. I don't know if you can see, look. It's a little bit like thick Ribena, I think. The guy did say to me if I haven't used much in the way of acids to be careful, but I don't have a sensitive skin, so I took the risk. and I just smeared it on my skin, a cleansed skin, and it did tingle slightly around this area. It must be a little bit sensitive. And I rinsed it off after 10 minutes and my skin did feel noticeably brighter. For those of you who are not aware, the benefits of a peel would be to gently exfoliate without that sort of granular action. It takes off the top layer, the very, very top layer of your dead skin cells. So any product that you apply subsequently is going to penetrate that much deeper and lock in moisture, which is great, which is what we all want. So would I recommend it? Absolutely, yes. It's definitely got my thumbs up. The oils are brilliant, the serums are fantastic, those price points are fantastic. The moisturizer didn't do it for me, but only in terms of smell. If you have a sensitive skin, something fragrance-free is going to be more appealing. So really that's entirely up to you. I'm just talking about from my perspective. I like something which gives me more of that sort of sensorial experience in terms of smell. In terms of functionality, absolutely. Did it leave my skin feeling good? Yes, absolutely. Did my makeup go on nicely? Yes, absolutely. So, you know, that's just down to personal preference. So if you're interested in anything in the Ordinary range, I would suggest you take a trip down to their shop. It is available online, in the big stores, Harvey Nichols, Phoenix, and they've got a flagship store, I believe, in Covent Garden, which I haven't seen yet. Or if you can't, have a look on their website. They've got a brilliant website where they list all their products, and they'll give you a nighttime and a daytime routine depending on your skin type. They've broken it up really nicely, and to be honest, there's nothing to lose. Each product average price point is about £5, so really it's no big deal. You're not going to break the bank. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and hit the like button. And next week, watch out, I will be doing a Chanel giveaway, so don't forget to tune in. I'll see you next time. Bye.